Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Just waiting on the Flavor Delight apiariums to ripen up. While we're here, let me show you something I've been doing an experiment with. This is an Italian prune. I believe it is named Muir, M-U-I-R. I will put in the screen right now of the correct spelling, if I find it, that is, of this variety of prune. I'm going to show you my experiment of letting, as you can see, letting a huge infestation of aphids grow. Right when I saw this, you can see every leaf is just covered with aphids. When I saw this long ago, I freaked out because it's pretty bad. Let me show you from underneath. It's just covered. Leaves are just sticking to one another, as you can see. But I saw, when I was about to just spray it off with a hose, or put soap and water. Then I saw at least 30 ladybugs all over the place. And I thought to myself, like I did in the past, if I remove or kill all of these aphids, they just keep going up, by the way. I'm just showing you a little bit. All that is infested. All these limbs are infested, and they're not going to the apiarium, thankfully. I thought to myself, I could either remove all these or let nature take care of it. Hey, a little bird. And you see, maybe the bird's here will probably to eat the ladybugs. God dang. If I remove all of the aphids, I'm removing the food source for all these ladybugs. And then under some leaves, I saw eggs, and they hatched yesterday. I don't know if it's going to show up in the camera because it's bright in the sky. But I'm going to try to see if I could show it. You can see those little black alligator looking things? Those are all baby ladybugs that hatched yesterday, I believe. Maybe this morning. And this whole leaf was covered in aphids, and you can see a big, huge gap now on the top side of no aphids. So they're going to take care of them. Now, that's where you can see most of the husk of the aphids here. And sometimes you just have to have nature fix itself. You can see they're mating again over here. They're trying to hide from me now. They're like, don't film us. Whenever you see ladybugs mating on a plant, you know that plant has a problem, in my opinion. In any instance I've seen ladybugs mate on a tree or a plant, whether it be a parsley or a prune tree, there's a problem in there that you're not seeing and the ladybugs know. Because they want their offspring to have as much food as possible. These little guys and gals are here for you. They are here 24/7. They won't be washed off from the rain like neem wood or any other spray wood. Happy gardening, everyone.